was born with the spirit of seeing. That's why people call me the seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself. Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to the time you are listening to this voice or see this video. Today guys, I will be teaching you how to use a red banana. I did not say plantain, or red banana and broom to destroy all the plans the enemy has made against you, and also to attack so that you can be able to see them. Yes, you will be able to see them. If you are the type that maybe they normally come and disturb you where you are sleeping and you are sure that it is a witch, or you are not making sales, or you are sure that somebody is after it, being your neighbor from the family, and you want to know whom that person is, I think this is the right recipe for you. Okay, this will destroy all their plan, and also this will reveal all your enemies to you. All you have to do is to just get a finger of banana, just cut one banana. Then after you have cut one banana, then the next thing you do, you get a stick of broom. Yes, one stick of broom will do. Just get one stick of broom, then you cut from the broom. Speak anything you want, what you want to happen, how you want it to happen. Speak on the broom, then you chook it inside the banana. Then cut from that same stick of broom again. Speak everything you want. You can be cutting it small, small. Speak everything you want. Chook it in another position of in the banana again. This is how you'll be cutting from the broom. You speak on it what you want, then you chook it inside the banana. That's you stick it inside the banana. That's your ripe banana, not plantain. Don't use plantain. Let me say, for example, now after you cut from the banana, you just like whoever is after my life, whoever has been disturbing me, as I'm choking this bone inside the plantain, I'm choking this in that person's eye, or I'm choking in that person's body. Let the person know no peace, or the person have no choice but to return what he or she has stolen from me. So you make that prayer, you choke it on it, then you cut another one. Whoever is against my shop, whoever that is saying I will not stay in my shop, whatever they have done in my shop, as I'm choking this banana, as I'm choking this broom inside this banana, I'm returning it back to sender. So make prayers on it. Even if you want to pray for yourself, you pray for yourself. I choking this banana, broom inside this banana, so shall I get my word, so shall people come close to me, so shall people come to my shop and buy. So you just make any prayer you want, then you choke it. You choke it inside the banana. So any prayer you want to make for yourself, you make it and choke it inside the banana. So that's how you'll be cutting for the bone until the bone is finished. Then when you are done, then you take it to any roadside, either a junction or a roadside. You go and keep it on the ground. Then you turn back and don't look back. And if you find this video useful so far, like, share, and subscribe. And anything you don't understand in the video, please ask your question in the comment section, and I will get back to you. And I want you to comment that may God reveal all your enemy to you. Amen.